Hackathons are fast becoming a preferred avenue to develop and nurture IT professionals in many fields. In Kenya, various companies are using Hackfest to hire the best talent by rolling out job offers and attracting the best talent. This has seen Equity Bank and Microsoft have launched a partnership between the University of Nairobi and Meru University of Science to use hackathons to discover new technologies and develop solutions for the bank.
Organizations are increasingly hosting hackathons on college campuses to lend an innovative edge to their recruitment process. In recent times, it has emerged as a preferred setup for companies where candidates can show their skills in an open and competitive environment. Equity Bank says it will use this concept to drive innovation uptake in the bank and deepen IT skills in learning institutions. The virtual hackathon will be open to students from the University of Nairobi and Meru University of Science and Technology. The hackathon saw a total of 663 students from the two universities registered to be among the 100 shortlisted participants to take part as innovators. Students from the two universities will have an opportunity to take part in a competitive event and collaborate to build proofs of concept and minimum viable products for a predefined problem. Microsoft says it will use the hackathon concept to develop closer ties with the industry, such as the banking and ICT industries, to support students acquire practical skills beyond the confines of the university's lecture halls. University students taking part in the hackathon event will get a chance to take a part in a 3-month mentorship program with Microsoft. Reporting for Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.